Dear class 8 students, here is the another video where I am explaining the next topics. Just now in the first video we have seen up to the Reformation. So now here I'll be talking about the Reformation movement. Why this Reformation movement started in Europe? What are the reasons behind this movement? This movement was started in Europe against the wrong practices of church leaders. People in Europe considered church leaders as the spiritual leaders or honored people in the society. But leaders' sinful life hurted common people. People lost faith on religious leaders. In other words, we can say Reformation movement was the reaction against the church corruption practices. People now started questioning about their faith and belief on God. So in the Reformation movement, dear students, what happened that the church leaders, though in their preachings and teachings, they said that the people must have the faith and they must live a simple life, religious life, spiritual life. But the other side, if we see, the religious leader itself or themselves, they used to live a corrupt life. They are living all sorts of wrong type of life, like they were fighting in their own society, in their own community. They're keeping the ladies as their wives. They were even going to the dance contests or the parties, and also their faith on God was not so strong. So the church leaders, they have built up so many Christian society in order to enjoy the life, in order to have the luxurious life. So here we have some of the causes of the Reformation. Renaissance. Renaissance helped to learn the value of faith and belief and the human value, where we talk about freedom, human problems, etc. The people said that faith and belief of people should not be considered by any organizations or controlled by any organizations. The personal faith should not be measured with religious customs and rituals. So now people started observing church teaching, and wherever they found any wrong practices of leaders, people questioned about them. So here now the people started questioning about the Reformation. So like the church leaders used to control the freedom of the people. Even the European people, they have to blindly believe on the teaching of church leaders. So if they went against the church leaders, the the people were cursed, they were given a lot of punishments. So in this way, church dominated the whole European society. So now people slowly they are becoming aware of the church leaders' doings, and now they started opposing against the church leaders, and because of that we could see the Reformation movement started. So through this video, dear students, I'd like to give you some I wanted to give you some information about the modern world and the Renaissance period through this short note. So you go through with the books also, and you try to understand. And here through this note, I have tried to make you understand in a simple way, so you don't simply limit yourself your reading and learning up to my note. You also read books and then find out many more understandings. You understand from yourself, by yourself, and learn the chapter, understand the chapter. Thank you.